Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this service. Today, we're taking a look at National Credit Care, a company found at nationalcreditcare.com. Exploring credit repair can be a daunting task, and navigating the complexities of credit reports and scores often feels like traversing a minefield. National Credit Care presents itself as a potential solution for individuals looking to improve their credit standing. But what exactly do they offer, and is it the right fit for your specific needs? In this video, we'll delve into the details of National Credit Care's services, examining what they claim to do and how they operate. We'll explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of using their services, considering factors such as pricing, customer support, and the overall effectiveness of their credit repair strategies. Understanding the intricacies of your credit report is crucial, and while National Credit Care may offer assistance in this area, it's important to weigh all options and proceed with caution. It's crucial to remember that credit repair is a process, and results aren't guaranteed. There's no magic bullet for fixing credit issues overnight. Any reputable company, including National Credit Care, should be transparent about this reality. This review aims to equip you with the information you need to make an informed decision about whether or not National Credit Care aligns with your financial goals and circumstances. We'll also touch upon alternative approaches to credit repair, empowering you with a comprehensive understanding of the options available to you. Remember to conduct your own thorough research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any decisions about credit repair services. Staying informed is the key to taking control of your financial future.